Hello, this is Kaitana with Portland Volvo here in Scarborough, Maine. Today we're going to look over the 2025.5 XC90 B5 Core in Silver Dawn. There's been some little updates to this model, including an updated grille, and lights have a little bit of a darker tint to it. All-wheel drive, 20-inch 5 multi-spoke diamond cut wheels. This is a 7-seater. We'll come around and take a look at these back tail lights and take a look at this trunk space. Alright, we'll close this up and let's take a look at our back passenger seats. This is in Quilted Cardamom Nordico with Brown Ash Inlay, has heated back seats and a beautiful panoramic moonroof. And we'll take a look at the front seats. We got power adjustable front seats. There was a change to the infotainment centers, so the touchscreen is now 11.2 inches versus the 9 inches in the 2025 model. We also have this beautiful crystal gear knob shifter, heated front seats, backup camera, navigation. Beautiful vehicle. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.